Hey, Huxley. Hey. You want to say hi to all your Facebook friends? What do you smell? Smell some sardines. Are they your favorite? Well, tell us another story. You were talking so much before the camera came out. Yeah, it's up here. Yummies. Well, you're adorable. Yeah. Is this what you want? Can you say please? No, can you say meow? Give me the sardines, Mummy. Yeah? They're over here. Where are you going? Look. Yeah? Oh. Okay then. You enjoy. Bye bye.